Take a look at this photo. What do you think makes it look cheap? In this video, we will explore the 5 common design mistakes that can make your living room look less expensive and provide tips on how to upgrade its appearance. We will transform this living room into this. Let's take a look at how we can achieve this transformation. This living room has dimensions of 4 by 4 meters, with a door and windows at the front in an open-plan layout, combining the living, dining, and kitchen areas. This is a TV-centric living room where the television acts as the primary focus. In this space, furniture is strategically arranged to ensure comfortable viewing, with sofas and chairs facing towards the TV. If you have a larger living room, our tips are also applicable there. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Using mismatched furniture and design styles. When designing your living room, it's crucial from the start to know exactly what style you want, such as modern, industrial, or traditional. It can look unappealing if you impulsively purchase a beautiful sofa or coffee table, only to find it doesn't match your living room style. This can lead to a waste of money, and your living room might even end up looking cheaper as a result. Consistency is key in a living room, meaning the furniture, color scheme, lighting, and other decorative elements should all harmonize. To avoid this, always plan ahead. Visualize the overall aesthetic you desire for your living room. If you're leaning towards a modern style, focus on sleek lines and a minimalist approach. For an industrial look, consider incorporating raw materials like metal and exposed brick. In this living room, we'll start by replacing the current sofa with a sleek, minimalist one that better fits our design vision. Next, we'll switch out the coffee table with a contemporary piece, perhaps one with a glass top or a clean, geometric design to maintain the modern aesthetic. To tie everything together, we will carefully select the color of our furniture to match a specific palette, likely leaning towards neutral tones like grays, whites, or subtle earthy colors. This will create a cohesive, elegant, and modern feel in the room. Mistake number 2. Using a single main ceiling light. Using just one main ceiling light might seem simple and efficient, but this approach often tends to cast harsh shadows and leaves your living room looking flat and uninviting. So what should you do instead? The key is to diversify your lighting. Start by using pin lights. It will enhance the ambiance and reduce harsh shadows and glare from the main light, improving the overall aesthetic and comfort. Additionally, pin lights offer flexibility in lighting design, allowing for customization and control over the room's mood and atmosphere. Next, we will use cove lighting. It provides a soft, indirect glow that enhances the ambiance of a room. Then, add table and floor lamp. These lights bring depth and highlight various areas of the room, creating a more dynamic and visually appealing space, and they offer flexibility in illuminating specific areas. Finally, incorporate low-level lighting hidden behind furniture. This lighting casts a gentle glow against the walls, creating an intimate and luxurious feel in the space. Mistake number 3. The overuse of plastic. The third mistake that can make your living room look cheap is the overuse of plastic. In this living room, we're seeing a lot of plastic items. Plastic plants, some plastic chairs, you get the idea. Now let's switch things up. Instead of these plastic items, we will use natural materials. Why? Because natural materials like wood, metal, or even good quality fabrics bring in a sense of warmth and sophistication that plastic just can't match. To further elevate the look, let's replace those plastic plants with real greenery. Real plants not only look better, but they also add life and freshness to your space. And about those chairs, let's swap them out for something in wood or with a nice fabric upholstery. The goal here is to create a more inviting and cohesive look. In this new design, you'll instantly notice how the room feels more put together and classy. It's amazing how these simple switches can totally transform a space. Mistake number 4. Poor choice in curtain style and placement. The next common mistake we often see in living rooms is a poor choice in curtain style and placement. In this living room, the curtains are hung just above the window frame and using grommet curtains. While these might be practical, they don't always align with a sleek, modern aesthetic. So we're going to switch to a ceiling recessed curtain design. This means the curtains will be hung from tracks that are recessed into the ceiling, creating a clean, streamlined look for the living room. And instead of those grommet curtains, we'll opt for a higher quality fabric that complements the room's color scheme and adds a touch of sophistication. This change not only elevates the overall appearance of the room, but also makes the ceilings look higher. Plus, ceiling recessed curtains blend seamlessly with the modern style, enhancing the minimalistic and uncluttered feel that is often sought after in contemporary designs. Mistake number 5. Choosing the wrong rug size and pattern in the living room. Another common mistake in living room design is selecting a rug that's either too small or too large for the space, or one with a pattern that overwhelms the room. For this living room, choose a rug that fits comfortably within the central area, ensuring it doesn't overpower the room's size. The rug should anchor the furniture but not extend to the walls. The furniture should be arranged in relation to the rug to create a cohesive look. All furniture associated with the zone should touch the rug. This includes sofas, chairs, and tables. However, items like TV consoles can be off the rug. Avoid placing furniture so that it's only partially on the rug, as this can create a sense of imbalance. The goal is to have furniture either completely on the rug or comfortably half on and half off, ensuring it doesn't look like it's teetering on the edge. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in transforming your space. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design insight. Thanks for watching.